Hello, let's learn how to use Helperbird's PDF Reader. When you click on a PDF, you can use this link down here to open this PDF in Helperbird. Now your PDF is open in the PDF Reader. You can use the play, pause, and stop buttons to have your PDF read out loud to you.
Chapter 1. The Boy Who Lived. R. and Mrs. Dudley, of number 4, Privet Drive, were proud to say that they were perfectly normal, thank you very much. They were.
If you want to annotate your PDF, click the annotation mode. Then click anywhere on the page to add a text box. Here you can type your annotation. You can resize your annotations and move them anywhere you would like them to be on the PDF. You can download the PDF with your annotations. You can also download the PDF by itself or download the annotated note that you wrote. You can open up Helperbird's editor tool and leave notes for this PDF. The editor in Helperbird has a lot of useful note-taking features, like voice typing, grammar and spell check, and formatting. Use the Open PDF button to open a PDF that's saved on your computer. Within the PDF Reader with Helperbird, you can also translate your PDFs, open them in Immersive Reader, summarize, or extract text. Now that extracted text is saved to my clipboard. With your extract text options, though, you can open the extracted text in Immersive Reader, translate the extracted text, listen, and have that selection read out loud to you, or save it to your notes. If you want to download the PDF, you can download the PDF to your computer by itself, download the PDF with your added annotations, or just download the notes. And that's an overview of how to use all the robust features in the PDF Reader by Helperbird.